Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and I shouldn't really be doing this because I'm no expert in it, but I'm just going off experience. This is your laser head, and this is your beam, and it's coming down to a focus point with your focus gauge, and there's a sweet spot in there that's kind of all the same, so you can be off just a little bit. There was a discussion on Facebook, and it works if you put your focus like an eighth of an inch out of focus, your burn will be darker. Now, I always run it at normal focus, and then if it's not dark enough, I'll bump it up. And somebody asked the question, well, do you want to go up or down? I don't really think it matters because if you look, the beam is going wide. So what's happening? The beam is widening as you go up, and for some reason it's not as intense on that little bitty spot, so it's intense on a bigger spot. So it'd be the same, but I always go up for one, I guess, main reason. If you want to, you can't measure down when you're on your work, but if you have a piece of wood in your laser bed and you bring a piece of eighth inch wood and then focus on that wood that's setting on your other wood and then take that away, you're an eighth of an inch off every time if that eighth of an inch worked on that piece of wood for you. So you can't really measure. Well, you could go by clicks, but that's not very perfect. Where this is going to be perfect because you could take your focus gauge and focus right on that eighth inch piece of wood, and then you're an eighth inch off your other wood. I hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.